In this video, we'll be going over the unboxing of the Tranquility VS monitor. If you notice, you'll locate labels outside of the front of the box indicating the model type and the serial number of the unit. Upon the opening of the box, one of the first things you'll find is the device documentation, and you'll also find two styrofoam protectors holding the Tranquility VS monitor in between. You'll also find the accessories that come with the unit. You'll have your NIBP cuff, the NIBP tubing for the cuff. You'll also find your SpO2 finger sensor, as well as the extension cable for the SpO2 finger sensor. And last but not least, you'll also find the power cord to the unit. You will also find the warranty registration card in which you can follow the instructions on how to properly register your device. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to Schiller Americas or your local distributor.